No crack line there.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome to Ford Fair camping on this windy Whittlebury Park. I say Ford Fair camping. Somebody's let a saxo in, look. And there's a old Toyota Range Rover. Welcome to Ford Fair. So this is the campsite so far. It's about 6:15 in the evening. The rain's stopped, the sun has come out, so let's have a look round guys and we'll see what we can see. Stay tuned, see you soon. Can't get too close to this one, but shout out for the STOC stickers, and I do like the black roof on it. So up here we've got all the trailer queens, race cars. Have a quick look round, see what we can see. It's cool, isn't it? ST170. What's this Fiesta that's around here that I've just clocked? Nice old little smiley van. Yeah, all track cars, look, polycarbonate windows. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Very nice. Got his race fuel in there ready. Just right over here, look at this one. Loving the red wheels, mate.
Yeah, me too. Well, at first they're red because all my other Mark 3s have been red.
Right.
And I bought this as a freshly restored paint shell, but it was white.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I still have some red on it.
Yeah.
That's what I
Fair enough, mate. Yeah, looks really nice. Carbon fibre boot. Fuel tank in the back. Eat, sleep forward. A few skid marks here. It's a nice clean ST170 estate. Couple of vans. Let's go look at this clean ST500. Nice clean example of an ST500. And it is for sale. So if you like what you see, pause the video, give the number a call. That's cool. I remember one of our old members used to have one of them made. It's like a leather helmet on the parcel shelf. I've just spotted this Cosy. RS Cosworth. Love the wheels. Absolutely beautiful. This is what you've got to love about Ford Fair, the variety of cars that you see. Just spotted this from a distance. Look at that. Size of the turbo on that. Very clean, very nice. Right, gonna head up here now. I like the red on this one. Got all his track sessions booked ready, look. Bit like this Focus here. Got all his track time up and ready, no messing about in the morning. this is nice. That's for sale as well. See if you can see the number. If you're interested, give them a call. Then on to this Mark 7 Fiesta ST. Oh, I spy a Mondeo. We'll have to have a look around that in a bit. A couple of RS's. Nice white one and a blue Mark 3. Cleaning it, ready for tomorrow.
Yes, we are.
I like the wheels. The wheels really suit it. And a couple of blue Mark 2s. Got big AP Racing calipers on that one. Another Mark 3 Focus RS. Mantune. RS Hell. These Fords do give us hell sometimes. Ooh. Tell you what guys, these are cool. Cool and handy. So we've got here a red Mark 3 Focus ST. Celebration edition hiding in the background there, Mark 6, and then a Mark 7. And then a Mark 8 Fiesta. Guessing the name's Julie. Don't see many of these anymore, the old Smiley Transits. Plenty of smoke bellowing over the campsite from the barbecues. A couple of Mark 7 Fiestas here. And they're super clean from a distance. Mark 2 in performance blue. Now that is clean. Potentially I think this has had a front end respray, unless it's low mileage, because it is very clean. No stone chips. Running the Mark 3 Focus ST wheels. Grey RS coming in. That Fiesta had one bucket seat in it by the looks of things. But yeah, still people coming in guys. Oh, this is nice. RS edition look on the number plate. So we're about 6:30 now. People are still coming in. Food vendors are on point over there. That's what the camping's all about guys. See you soon. A few S-Maxes here this year. Got another Focus here. Plenty of S-Maxes over there coming up. We've got a KA, and then there's a Golf there, lot, hiding in the background. Loads of smoke where we're heading. So coming down this side, we've got this Fiesta sticking up. It's like a rally car. Here's the Mark 6 that you saw a glimpse of earlier. Limited edition Mark 7 Fiesta. Look at this Escort gear. Immaculate. Very nice. 1.6 gear. And then over here we've got one under restoration, which is for sale again. If you're looking for one, there's his phone number. Everybody knows we love a Mondeo on this channel. Is it a 2.5? No 2.5 badge, but could have took it off. And then we've got this ST white with the green AirTech livery down the side. Nice green wheels. Couple of Transits over there. Some more Focuses. Looks like he's lost his number plate. This Mark 3 with the RGB scrolling fog lights. It's coming down the bottom end. You just saw that a minute ago coming in. And we've got this Mark V Z-Tech S, which is quite clean, becoming a bit of a rarity now. Looks like it's got Mark VI Z-Tech wheels on it as well, which is something different. Focus RS hiding in a trailer there. Got some guys working on a Mark 7 on the back of a recovery truck over there. Over here there's the lake, so we'll go and take a look. So in this little section we've got a few cars up there. Scorpio there, look, that's a rarity. Got an RS on a dolly. Couple of Focuses, Fiestas. Nice blue van there in front of the lake. Got a couple of RSs and a Mondeo ST24 over there. Limited edition with a red roof. Yeah. Panting up the hill. Got a nice Mark 6 there, being clean, ready for the morning. Mark 2 with angel eyes. Mark 3 RS. Mondeo Estate, Mark 3 again. This looks nice, let's have a look around this. Little old Fiesta. There's a Puma up there as well, look. At Mark II Fez fan. Oh, it's on carbs. Big rev and shift light on the dash. It's nice. Over here, got one that's been around for a while. Mark II. Alright mate, Puma. Shout out to YouTube. Nice little Escort here, look. It's nice. Mondeo. Fiesta. It's nice and old, isn't it? Was it Granada? Sure it is. Another old girl here, look. How clean that is inside. Purchased new in 1987 from Cowes in Nottingham. Base model, no radio or cigar lighter. Taken off the road in 1999 and stored in the garage. Revived in 2019 after 20 years in storage. Under 20,000 miles from new. All paperwork present. It's cool. Nice. Just wanted to shout out to these guys coming all the way from the Netherlands. It's a journey and a half, that. Come over Ford Fair. A few cars in there, lot. More cars from the Netherlands. It's nice. Roof box on that one. Talk about practicality. Alright guys, left hand drive, look. Hi guys. France on the number plate. Shout out for them for making the journey. Coming through the bushes, we've got our lot here. Mark Auto Mods there on the corner. Here's all our lot. Try and include everyone. A few people down there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end the video there, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. The main Ford Fair video will be up next Sunday, 7 PM. See you soon, guys.